When I was in my first trimester, I loved to eat iparishi, but then in my second trimester I didn't love iparishi. I preferred oats instead. But now that I'm in my third trimester, I'm enjoying iparishi again. So a pregnancy shame will make you go crazy. Okay guys, yeah, so welcome to my vlog and spend a day with me as a pregnant wife and a mother. I'll be doing my hair, learning how to do my eyebrows, and doing our monthly groceries. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is the 1st of November and I am 8 months pregnant finally, and then we are 1 month to go, and then I'm 31 weeks. Yeah, 31 weeks. So today it's a vlog. So I just woke up ngenza iparishi and then did my bed. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and bath. I'm always tired. Shame. I'm waiting for uhappy uzofika azongithatha, and then sihambe siyokwenza like a small grocery nyana, and then yeah, we come back after that because ngifuna nokuthenga like my cosmetics. Ngendlela engiloyal ngayo kule sunscreen, I've been using it nje ever since. Yo, inwele zami sana njengazi manje zithini guys. Lapho umyeni wami akeve ethanda ngine-natural hair shame. Ngisebenzisa lo oil lo okubhesa. Begine-afro all along, so I relax. I think it's relaxed 2 times, but nje azibi silk like le relaxiwe vele. It's giving afro, half relaxed. Kodwa ke as long as it's soft nje, because engifunayo mina ukuthi zibe soft as sana ibuhlungu afro. Plus yami afro lehlangene like ihlangene. Bese ngigcoba lo, so let's zizothamba ke zibe soft. If you know my favorite hairstyle, so my favorite hairstyle is this one. Nale like enyenzayo. Oh shame. Bandle. Hello, bazakhathala. Ngalo zami zikathele manje, bazisikhulu nokakhulu nale ngazi angisinda. Ngifuna nokwenza ilo ishiya because ngiyazifundisa ukwenza ishiya ncanca ukuthi phela ngiyakhohlwa mina, ngiyena vele umuntu we-makeup. Ngiyayizama phela ukuthi yebo ngiyifake ngamento. So ngifuna ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngifunde ilo ishiya. And enye into engiyithandayo njengoba ngibe-maternity leave manje, like I'm doing like izinto eziningi like kade ngihlezi ngifuna ukuzenza, but because of time nanokuthi umuntu uhlezi esemsebenzini ngihlezi ngikhathele, and then izinto ngigcine sengingazenzi, yabo. So that's what I like about i-maternity leave yami. Engingakuthandi nje ukuthi i-unpaid leyo-ke nje iyangivora ke iyangivora, but ke sothini, it is what it is. So in UIF, I went to Department of Home Affairs to apply like UIF with all my documents really as I'm 17. When I get there, bathi nje bafuna i-ID ebiza isibongo sami sasemshadweni, because ngashada then ngangasanentunja, nganqena ukuya Home Affairs uyoshintsha i-ID. So i-ID yami isabiza like my surname. So manje I had to go back to Home Affairs ngiyokwenza i-ID entsha so that ngizokwazi uku-aplya. So manje ngisalinde i-ID from Home Affairs. Sengiyenzile but ayikuphuma. I think it's in last week. Nakhona ngoba intathi Home Affairs shem ine-drama and iyakhulumisa. That is ukuthi la like kwi-community la kwafika abantu base-Home Affairs bezokwenzisa abantu ama-ID, and laba bekhona it was not far from la sihlala khona. So we just walked ke no-mother-in-law saya khona lapho-ke sakwenza ama-ID. So ngasizakala kanjalo-ke because nginga-strugglisha nokwenza i-appointment, ngingawathola ama-slots kwi-website yaka-Home Affairs. Ngagcina ngisizakale kanjalo-ke. So I'm still waiting for my ID-ke bese ngiyo-aplya-ke for UIF, because sana leyo ngabi na-salary so iqhelile. Hayi inzima. Ngicabanga le sound yaku-TikTok let's say I went from this I went from this. Ayabona-ke manje njike-ke sibone ngemuva. So lana I thought ama-mic wami are on kanti they are off. So nje kuningi, it's a lot. It's a lot. So the devil works overtime sana because lungisa ngala kupete ngala. So yeah guys, I'm sorry about that. get besibheda mase sathelwa amanzi nje besibe namamap sana. This is the final look here. So first this bag, this is my old bag. I bought it from Mr. Price. Oh, I don't know which year, but just a dollar chain. Yeah, and then get shoes, pregnancy shoes. Yeah. So this is how I look. My husband finally came, so we went to town first to buy meat because we usually like to buy our meat from Umdeni or Bluff Meats. Yeah, so yeah, nyama yakhona is so fresh, so we prefer it because it's fresh. And then after that we went to Gateway to Checkers, and then yeah guys, So after this, my battery died and I couldn't like continue with the vlog. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos, and thank you very much for those who have subscribed to my channel. So yeah, please look out for videos every week. Bye.